Hello, my name is Ihar Irkho, and we still are in the Microsoft Bootcamp. And once again, we are not in Microsoft yet. We consider basics of general software. And previously, we talked about software, and we talked about the difference between applications and software, or applications and operating systems. And then we say that operating systems deal with folders and files, and by default, operating system make applications work. And the question is how to launch application and how to close application. And we consider, let's say, I will show on the Microsoft Windows. Windows is currently probably one of the major operating systems. Of course, mobile devices grow very fast, and there are so-called neuter operating systems like Linux or Unix. But for now, we consider just Windows. And technically, we see here different shortcuts. And if we click, for instance, this is the shortcut for PowerPoint. And when I hover this, it shows Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. And if I click, the application which is called PowerPoint will be launched. I can close it, or let's say here is Microsoft Excel. Once again, clicking on the shortcut, I can launch the application. But what to do if there is no shortcut on the screen? So technically, I can always go to the start, click the start button, and to try to find it here on this list. If it is not here, for instance, let's assume that there is no Excel. Here is the search field, and if I type, let's say I start typing Excel, and right now immediately I type just EX, and immediately here everything what it starts with or has this EX in the name appears. I have something in the control panel, I have something in documents, pictures, podcast, Microsoft Outlook, but definitely I need a program, and I definitely need Microsoft Excel. So every time I can launch this program from the search field. What if I don't know the name? So probably even if I don't know the name, I can try to find on the default programs or on the control panel, try to find, or I can go through all programs. And if I go through all programs, I can find Microsoft Office, and when I click to Microsoft Office, I can see different choices. All the parts of the Microsoft Office will be here. So once again, the beauty and one of the beauties of software, and particularly Microsoft software, is you can do every task in several different ways, and is how we can make it. Now, when we know how to open the application, the question is how to close application. And when we talk about Windows, Windows is called because every file is showed on the window, and this window on the right upper corner will always have these three features. It will be always close button, also minimize or maximize depending on what stage right now, and minimize, once again, it is just like to delete the software from there. So if we close, we can go further. Thank you.